A full mouth reconstruction is when we determine that fit and function and aesthetics all need to be working together. And anytime we do orthodontic treatment, braces, that's a full mouth reconstruction. We're changing the position of the teeth so that they work together in harmony. We can use crown and bridge for that as well. We can use veneers. So we can actually use a lot of what dentistry has to offer in making sure that your teeth work together, that they're working in harmony, that the muscles work together, and that the joint is stable. The goal is to make sure that you're pain-free, that you can eat, you can smile, and that your teeth are stable and that will be there for a long time.